friends, welcome back to Sarit's Art Room. So after a long time we are starting again. Something new, something creative and innovative. So let's have fun today. Today we came up with the concept of again kitchen decor. We will use the corner of kitchen to decorate in a different ways. So today we will take a fridge top. So generally refrigerator tops are used to keep all unwanted things and ultimately it becomes messy and it remains unattended. So we can use that space which is anyways we are not utilizing and make our kitchen beautiful and feel good in the kitchen. So let's start and begin our today's work. So let's start with our fridge top decoration. So here is my fridge. It is around 5 feet height. So we have to consider the height of fridge because that is very important. When we say that it is around 5 feet height, so it comes around our eyesight when we keep something on the top of our refrigerator. So even if it is a small thing, it will be visible. So we have to decorate according to that. Now I have just cleaned the top of this fridge first thing. Okay, so just clean your top of fridge and then start assembling things at the top. So I will show you. At the back side of my refrigerator I have painted the wall, and as it will look like a beautiful art of wall decor. So you can see this, I have painted this, and the black one is the blackboard kind of thing I have created. You can see my previous videos how to do this. So I can use this one to add some taglines or to write something on this particular blackboard. And if you will see, by just adding this painting on the wall also, my refrigerator corner is looking beautiful. Now to enhance the beauty to this, I will start assembling things at the top of fridge. So let's begin. I'll first take one cookie box to give different heights to different decorative pieces. There is one DIY planter made, and I have added money plant into this one. I used old plastic box, painted it with the acrylic colors and added water in that and money plant. So it started growing. Along with this, I'll add one small soft toy from my daughter's toy set. Okay, so on this I'll add one small art piece done by my daughter. So it's simple, but it is adding vibrant and beautiful colors. So we have to add colors also. Okay, this is done. Now next part will be adding few more greenery around this. Let's put it here. One. Okay. Then this is the live succulent, beautiful small piece, and I will add one more zebra plant succulent. So that's it. And now you can see that after keeping everything together, it's started showing you the beauty already. Right? So see how beautiful it is looking, and it's like I can see it from my living room also. My kitchen top is looking very beautiful. Okay, so that's it. Now we can try another setting also. So we'll remove this one. I'll show you another setting. Let's wait. So I have the swing charm. This is gifted and it's from Bhutan. So I'll use this. Okay. Again, this is the stand which we can use any decorative items, paintings, frames, anything you can put in this. I like this one, it is very useful. Okay, so I'll use one very cheap, around 100, under 100 rupees frame. Here, I'll keep it on the stand. And then I'll use one flower pot kept at some other location in my hall, so I'll use this one. Okay, and just add the greenery to this. This one, little bit colors. So in case your fridge height is around 6 feet or more than that, in that case you can use hanging plants or plants which will fall from the side of refrigerator, which will be visible even from sides and from your eyesight level. So think accordingly. Snake plant is also very good option because it is having good height. So all snake plants you can use to decorate also. It needs very minimal maintenance. And use decoration which will be visible from the sides also if you are having good heighted refrigerator. So think different, think innovative, and make your surrounding beautiful. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.